Hi, I'm CIC, one of the members from CIC. Glad to see you again. Today we will continue to show you some of the amazing products made by our company. Apparently, a new touchscreen radio can bring many benefits, including phone calls, entertainment, and Wi-Fi function. In this case, more and more people prefer to install the car radio inside their car by themselves as it can save money. However, sometimes this task will seem to be a tough task, especially if you are the owner of BMW. In order to solve this problem, we are going to recommend a secret gear to you today. Look at there, this is E70 radio for the 2011 to 2014 BMW X5 CIC, which was built in Carplay Android Auto and has won many customers' praise this year. Unlike the other stereos, this one can support all the original car functions, including videos, phone calls, and music, which means you can enjoy high quality of entertainment all the time in your car. Compared to other screens, this IPS screen comes with high resolution, providing you with clear image and stronger sense of hierarchy. And with a more realistic and transparent touchscreen color, it can support multiple popular videos. Moreover, there are some outstanding features inside the radio, including the 8-core CPU, the latest Android 10 system, and the large memory, providing you with the fastest operation experience. On the other hand, you can download various apps and make phone calls as smooth as usual when you are driving on the road. Built-in Wi-Fi model, it can support to connect to Wi-Fi hotspot to surfing the internet. In a word, you can enjoy the high-speed entertainment during your driving journey. With its GPS models, it can support both online and offline navigation apps, which means you will never get lost during the driving journey. And you can use it as a tool to go anywhere you want and avoid some unnecessary mistakes. Plus, it can be connected to internet whenever you drive, and the DVR function will allow you to record every moment in your journey, which means you will never miss anything. Another appreciated point is that all of our products have 3-year warranty, so that all our customers can get high quality service. Whenever you have any question about this receiver or any problems you have, please contact us and we will help to solve the problem as soon as possible. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to us and hope you will get a lot from it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.